It could never compare to that godly man over there.
Where's Hobbit?
Because he is the beast.
And you?
I am the goddess. On high.
Harley.
You're high.
I said on high, not high.
And I'm the goddess, and I'm high. I'm high.
I
You
am
meant
the
on
goddess.
high.
On high.
On high.
Not I'm high.
On high.
On high.
On high what? On high of what?
On high of Tanya.
Oh, I totally got that.
But what are you on high of?
I
Other
am
than me.
life.
You can be on high of me if you want.
Life and animals
Life
and Joey
and
Johnny?
and
And she's like, oh yeah, him.
And-
oh yeah, him too.
Joe
and
and John
John and John.
and Joe.
Oh, and Joe.
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 God, don't you wish she would do that to you?
She's an F. She's an F now. She married me.
And Joe.
Joe, stop it! You're making me uncomfortable.
Joe.
I feel weird now.
Joe.
Hide the light.
Joe. I love my Joe. Joey sleeps with me at night.
I know you got too much loving on the dog going on.
That's my son, aren't you? Say, look here, lady. There ain't no fishy shits going on around here, okay? Now, just 'cause my mama loved me, and just 'cause my mama sleep with me at night, it don't mean nothing funny going on around here. Don't you be thinking talking that mess over there.
You know, it's weird because she's using that hillbilly incest
Right.
vocal.
And let me just set you straight about
I
something.
didn't sleep with my brother, Mama.
Listen,
no, I
listen.
didn't.
I know they say a family that plays together stays together.
This the Joey talking. This the Joey
This is so
talking.
messed up.
And the Joey's gonna say something right now. And see, the Joey's gonna make you want to listen to me now. 'Cause I'm telling you, if it wasn't for my mama, I said my mama. If it wasn't for my mama, yeah, this one right here. This one right here, that's my mama. And if it wasn't for my mama, see, her used to bathe me and love me, wrap me up in swaddling clothes. Yeah, you know them kind that like wrap all around, you see. And she would put me in a bed, and she would cuddle up to me and make me sleep right next to her, just like this, just like I'm sitting right now. And we would cuddle all night long. But just 'cause we cuddle all night long now don't mean there's nothing funny going on.
What are you gonna? When are you going to spit from chewing that chew?
And nah, my mama, my bestest friend.
My bestest friend, my bestest
If you
friend.
don't believe me, how my mama can be my bestest friend, just direct your camera right on over there and ask me Uncle Jeff. Me Uncle Jeff will tell you how my mamas can be my best friend.
That's her best friend.
Yeah.
And see,
That's her best friend.
That over there, that's my twin brother. That's my twin brother,
Yep, and
Hobby.
he sleeps with Daddy.
And Hobby sleep with Daddy, and I sleep with the mama.
Excuse me, sir. Could you say that one more time for the camera, please?
Hobby sleeps with the daddy, and
Hobbit
Joey
sleeps-
sleeps with the
Hobbit,
mama.
who's your daddy?
Who's your
Right
daddy,
there.
Hobbit?
Who's your daddy,
That's my
Hobbit?
daddy right there.
Hobbit, who's your daddy, boy?
Who's your daddy and what does he do?
Sad. That's why I don't sleep with Daddy no more. See, I used to sleep with Daddy, and I don't sleep with Daddy no more, 'cause Daddy snore too loud. Daddy snore too loud, and I don't like that, so I started sleeping with my mama. And once I started sleeping with my mama, all that snoring shit done went away. Yeah.
Tanya, turn that light on your face.
It done went away.
Put that light on your face, Tanya.
So are we done talking about me and my mama now? Because I'm ready to go to sleep.